Hi, I'm Keith from Patriot Products. And as we've told you in the past, we get lots of customers that ask us how our chipper will do with different materials. So today, thanks to our friend Doug in Westchester, Pennsylvania, I have some very rigid, sharp, sweet gum balls that we're going to run through the Patriot electric chipper and show you what it does. So the Patriot electric chipper chewed up the sweet gum balls into kind of a fluffy type material that I think you could use for compost around your bushes, or maybe even put it into your compost pile to break it down even further. So if you're looking for a way to deal with those piles and piles of sweet gum balls, why don't you get yourself a Patriot chipper?